Alright, who keeps shaking the fucking snow globe? This shit's irritating. It's my neighbor's house. It's my mailbox. Our neighbor's house. Big pile of snow. There's my Mustang. Let's try to get closer to the Mustang. See, last night they had two large bulldozers come out here to try to free up our neighborhood of this massive snowfall. Here you go. This is my 5.0 Mustang, trapped in about 6 feet of snow. I've never seen anything like this. I don't know if anybody else has either. It's absolutely incredible. So the bulldozers last night freed up our cul-de-sac. We were actually able to get out and get some food and supplies yesterday. Got a 32 pack of beer, some Captain Morgan. It's my house again. There's my wife over there, Susie Q. The kids are off playing in the snow somewhere. This shit is crazy. I'm gonna go inside, play some Demon Souls and some Bioshock number 2, because that game is the shit. Because I ain't leaving my house for a few days, so whoever's shaking the fucking snow globe, stop the shit. This is insane.